Hey everyone, my name is Sherman, a CPA here at Life Accounting, where we help you save on taxes and increase your wealth. Today we need to talk about the latest news regarding your bank account and the IRS monitoring it. In a recent video, I went over a key area of Biden's new tax plan, which involves the IRS monitoring your bank account to, quote, increase the visibility of gross receipts and deductible expenses to the IRS. Now, as a part of that plan, the IRS would monitor transactions in your bank account of over $600 or more. And a lot of people, including our subscribers, were not very happy to hear about this. And our subscribers were not alone. Many lawmakers thought that this was not necessary or helpful, and even worse, they thought that it would result in just more fraud. Well, now it sounds like the Biden administration has digested this feedback and is now countering with what they believe will be more helpful towards closing the tax gap, which involves raising the transaction limit from $600 to $10,000 as a threshold for the IRS to monitor. So for all of the details, stick around until the end of this video and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay in the loop on these types of tax changes. All right, so first of all, let's put everything into proper context here. The government needs money. The IRS is currently underfunded, which is causing a lot of enforcement issues, as well as issues regarding tax returns. And in addition to that, Biden needs to raise more revenue to fund his spending plans, which he primarily plans to do by raising taxes on wealthy individuals. Now, the idea is that with more enforcement, they can raise more money without raising taxes. So that's the problem that they are trying to solve for with this policy. The solution, however, has caused a whole lot of chaos. First and foremost, as many of you said in our comments, why are they going after just $600 in transactions? This amount is so small that literally everyone would be monitored by the IRS, not just the super wealthy. And this is exactly what lawmakers are saying in opposition to this. Hear this for yourself.
The average American runs $61,000 through their account.
And secondly, what about your Fourth Amendment rights that protects U.S. citizens from unreasonable searches? Many people have argued that it is government overreach to access and monitor people's private banking information. And speaking of banks, even they have shown opposition to this policy. The Independent Community Bankers of America has publicly voiced that they strongly object to this proposal and that their consumers do as well. Add that to the fact that the IRS experiences 1.4 billion cyber attacks annually, which basically implies that your financial information will be less secure if this plan goes into effect. So I think it's safe to say that in general, there are some serious flaws with this plan. And it seems like the Biden administration is already aware, because now they are apparently backing down on the original scope according to recent headlines. So now, instead of monitoring transactions over $600, they are proposing to monitor transactions over $10,000 instead. In addition to that, they would exempt all wage income, meaning that they would not monitor transactions that appear to be coming from your job. Now, obviously, this is still in development, but this is where we are today in light of the opposition to the original policy. So comment below and let me know what you think about this, and I look forward to seeing what you have to say. I'll talk to you soon.